Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will continue our copy work. So please take out your English notebook, take out the pencil, take out the scale, take out the razor. Keep these things with you here. Now sketch a margin line on the right side of your copy. Sketch a straight line in the middle of your copy. Write the CW on the top of the page. And today we are going to continue our word building. Okay? And the first word is, first we will make a heading of word building. Word, W-O-R-D, word, B-U-I-L-D-I-N-G, word building. Okay, alfaz banana. And today we will continue from letter N. So first you should write N. Now we will make two words, at least two words with letter N. N, nest. N, nail. N-A-I-L, nail, N-E-S-T, nest. What comes after N? O. Now we will make at least two words with letter O. O, orange. O, R, A, N, G, E. O, orange. O, owl. O, W, L, owl. Now the next word is letter P. Paper, pen, paper, pink. Now the next word is Q. Qua, queen. Q U double E N, queen. Qua, quiet. Q U I T E. Now it comes letter R. R, ring. R-I-N-G, ring. R, rose. R-O-S-E, rose. Now write letter S. S, star. S-T-A-R, star. S, sun. S-U-N, sun. Tita, tiger. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Tita, tree. T-R-E-E, tree. U, up. U, ugly. U-G-L-Y. U-P, up. U-G-L-Y, ugly. V, viva, van. V-A-N, van. Viva, vase. V-A-S-E, vase. Now come on the next page and also sketch a margin line on this page and sketch a straight line in the middle of the page, and then carry on the writing. W for whale. W-H-A-L-E, whale. W for wheel. W-H-E-E-L, wheel. W for whale. W for wheel. X, fox. X, box. B-O-X, box. F-O-X, fox. B-O-X, box. We cannot start any word with letter S except X-ray. Okay? In other words, we can use this word as an ending sound. Okay. Now Y. Yo-yo. Yogurt. Ziz. Zip. Zoo. Now we will repeat once. Nest, nest, nail, nail, nest, nail, orange, orange, owl, orange, owl, pen, pin, 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 queen, quite, quite, queen, quite, ring, rose, ring, rose, rose, star, sun, star, sun, tiger, tree, tiger, tree, up, ugly, up, ugly, van, was, van, was, whale, whale, wheel, wheel, xx fox, box, fox fox, box box, yo yo, yogurt, 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 ziz zip, zoo. I hope all of you have finished your work with me. Now please keep your work in practice at home. You need extra hard work. You need efforts to get success. Please take good care of yourself and your parents. Allah Hafiz.